Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to prepare lemon coriander soup. So it's a very simple and easy recipe. So let's begin. I have taken a few pieces of chicken. So you can either use boneless chicken or chicken with the bone. Few pieces, and I'm going to make broth of this. So switch on the gas or the induction, and I'm going to add some water in this. Add some water. Add sufficient quantity of water. Into this I'm going to add some salt. So, little bit of salt. I'm going to add some pepper powder. So this is just to prepare the stock of the chicken, because I don't believe in adding artificial flavors and things that add to the taste of it. So let's keep it natural. So that's the reason I want to prepare the stock of the chicken. And I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste in this. A little bit of ginger garlic paste. And you know what you all can do is, you all can get 1 kg or half kg of chicken and boil the chicken and get the broth. You can prepare soup with that, with the stock, and the chicken that you which is boiled, you can shred it and keep it in a airtight container and keep it in the freezer. So whenever you want to prepare anything, then you can use that chicken shreds. So you get the stock of the chicken and also you get chicken shreds in this. So now let it take its own time. It will take at least 20 minutes for this chicken to get cooked. So keep it on medium to low flame. So once this has started boiling, I'm going to decrease the temperature and keep it on medium heat. I'm going to add some more water and let it take its own time and get cooked. So meanwhile, till the chicken gets cooked, we are going to prepare the liquid to thicken the soup. So for that I am using this product from Pro Foods. So this is Jandan gum. This is a substitute for cornstarch. This is used very little quantity, just a pinch of it, very little. So I'm going to add very little, just a pinch. That's it. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. That's it. And mix this. So this is little sticky. It will make the soup thick. Just like salt, a pinch of salt. That's it. Mixing it. You can see. See how it has changed. Its color and consistency become thick. That's the reason. So I'll see how much is required. to add into the soup. How much is required and I'm going to put. So you can see how the color and the consistency has changed, become nice, thick. So this is after mixing it for quite some time, around 3 to 5 minutes. This is how. Thick. So now let's have a check on the meat, whether it's cooked. Should shred. It's shredding. Yes. I think let it be for 5 more minutes. Meat is cooked, it only has to a little bit shred. So time to remove this because it's cooked. And now we'll do the seasoning of the soup. So we'll place a kadai. So let's have a look at the ingredients which I'm going to use for the seasoning. Finely chopped garlic, grated ginger, fresh ginger, finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Obviously because it's lemon coriander soup, so you will have to have a lot of coriander in that and lemon in that. So lemon, I'm going to use the lemon juice and the lemon zest, and finely chopped onions, and also not to forget 1 egg. So that's 1 whole egg, important, 1 whole egg. Let's begin quickly. So into this I'm going to add some oil for the seasoning. I'm using coconut oil. So once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the garlic. Still cold. Love the aroma of the garlic, fresh garlic. Stock of the chicken, let it cool so we can easily shred the chicken. And I'm going to add now the onions, finely chopped onions. So you can also add vegetables in this, like cabbage, spring onions, vegetables of your choice. But today I'm not adding, I'm just going to keep it simple and clean. Saute it for some time. Now to add the grated ginger. Add the ginger. You know, adding fresh garlic and ginger is always good because it gives that fresh flavor, you know, to your soup. So it's not like you add the ginger garlic paste, but when you add the fresh, lovely lovely flavor, you can literally get the aroma of it. So now I'll add the chicken stock. Maximum size reached. Some lemon zest. So be careful that you don't add the white part of it because that's bitter. Just want the yellow part. Drops of lemon juice. That's it. So I'm going to break one egg. I'm going to also add the egg in this. So add the egg and simultaneously keep stirring. So I'm going to add this paste that I prepared. I'm just going to add little, very little, and check for its consistency. Just very little. So if you wanted, not thick, then you can skip this step. So let's see how it changes its consistency. I'll add a little of it. Keep stirring on low heat. I'm going to shred the chicken. Some shreds of chicken. So if you're using boneless chicken, then it makes your work easy. But with bone also, it adds to the taste and flavor because of the bone and all, bone marrow and all that. It'll add good flavor to your soup. So when you make these shreds, you can use them in many recipes. You just shred it and keep it in the freezer. You can use it for anything. So now I'm going to add the chicken shreds. The coriander, most important.
So much you have to put?
Because it's lemon coriander.
Ah, okay. It goes by the name.
Yes.
Nice.
Enough?
I don't know, you're the cook. I will taste and tell you.
So put it off. It's done.
And what did you put for little?
So the salt and pepper will depend on each one's taste.
And
You can add a little more of pepper, but salt and pepper will depend. Now time to serve. Lovely. The consistency
is looking good. Let's see the taste.
If it looks good, it will taste
No, I
good.
don't doubt your preparation.
There.
I don't doubt your preparation.
So I'll give it to my mom to taste. She'll tell me about the salt.
Surely. Arey, it is piping hot, yeah. Okay, just give me some time so that it cools. I don't burn my tongue. Oh my God, it's so wonderful, you know. I don't doubt your cooking, Safra, really. Correct amount of salt.
So that's a 5-star lemon coriander soup.
I think it is 6 to 8 star. I don't know. It's more than 5 stars. You know why? Star I say because the taste is good and nutrition value also is good. So give stars for that nutrition value. It's looking good, it's tasting good, salt is just correct. Too much of salt also is not good. And okay, that's nice.
So it's time for me to taste it. Simply perfect. I already tasted it. Perfect. Everything, the salt is perfect, the taste. So you know, adding that chicken also, chicken broth, the egg, full of nutrition in this, and the herbs is adding good flavor to it. The lemon juice, the pepper, salt. I think you all must try out this recipe and let me know. This was my first try and I'm surprised that it turned out well. First try at making this. So to viewers, do try this recipe and let me know how you all liked it. Definitely you will like it. And subscribe to my channel. And also let me know what recipes you all want me to try out. And I'll try out in my next cooking vlogs. So subscribe to my channel and stay updated. Bye bye. Happy cooking, healthy eating. Bye.